Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. Whether you are writing a short story, an essay or a blog post, the writing process is a key to creating your best work. Today, we are going to break down the 5 essential steps in the writing process, starting with pre-writing, drafting, revising, editing and publishing. Following these steps will not only help you stay organized, but also improve the quality of your writing. Let's jump in. Number 1. Pre-writing. Planning for success. First up, we have pre-writing. This is where you brainstorm, outline, and organize your ideas before putting pen to paper or fingers to keyboard. Think of it as the foundation of your writing. During this stage, you explore your topic, gather information, and map out your structure. It's all about preparation. Benefits of pre-writing? Pre-writing helps you avoid writer's block because you've already got a plan in place. By the time you start writing, you'll know exactly where you're going and how to get there. Number 2. Drafting. Putting your ideas down. Next is drafting. This is where you take your ideas from the pre-writing phase and start turning them into sentences and paragraphs. Don't worry about perfection here. The goal is just to get your thoughts on paper. Think of it as your first run-through of your story or argument. Benefits of drafting. Drafting allows you to focus on getting your ideas out without overthinking. You can always refine later, but having that rough draft means you've made significant progress. Number 3. Revising. Improving the content. Once your draft is complete, it's time for revising. In this step, you go back and make changes to improve the content. This might mean adding more details, rearranging ideas, or even cutting out entire section that doesn't work. Revising is all about making your writing clearer, more concise, and more effective. Benefits of revising? Revising lets you see the bigger picture and make sure your ideas are well organized and fully developed. It's your chance to enhance the quality and impact of your message. Number 4. Editing. Polishing your work. After revising comes editing. Now that you're happy with the content, it's time to focus on the finer details: grammar, spelling, punctuation, and sentence structure. This is the step where you ensure your writing is polished and error-free. Benefits of editing. Editing gives your work a professional finish. It helps make sure that your readers won't be distracted by mistakes and that your message comes across clearly. Number 5. Publishing. Sharing your writing with the world. Finally, we have publishing. This is the step where you share your writing, whether it's online, in print, or submitted for a class. Publishing doesn't have to be formal. It can be as simple as sharing your work with friends or posting on social media. Benefits of publishing. Publishing lets you share your ideas with others and receive feedback. It's the culmination of all your hard work, and it feels great to put your finished piece out into the world. So there you have it, 5 steps in the writing process: pre-writing, drafting, revising, editing, and publishing. By following these steps, you'll be able to stay organized, improve your writing, and create something you can be proud of. Remember, writing is a process, so take your time and enjoy the journey. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on writing and creativity. See you next time.